I think we're ready to start in 3, 2, 1.
And we begin with 3058 managing to unattach themselves, just barely snagging. And Team 1368-8 steadily but surely making its way towards their depot and barely not dropping their marker in as they got stuck on the releasing mechanism.
4511 managed to drop from the lander with a bit of a thunk, and it looks like they lost a nut on the field. 8949 drops off their marker
Driver,
and takes out
controller.
their sample field. Very good show.
2, 1.
And now the real fun starts. 3058 is going to work to try and free themselves from the side of the lander. They're struggling a little bit, but it looks like they're out. 13688's trying to move around, probably going to go in to collect some of those minerals left about on the sample fields.
Team 8949 managed to drop a pair of gold minerals inside of the lander, and Team 4511 managing to corral a gold mineral inside of their depot. However, Team 3058 doing a great job of offense, corralling everything else into their side of the field.
8949 really showing off their mechanism. They're dropping gold real easy. That brings them up to 6 in the red side of the lander. 3058 and 13688 working on the blue side of things to try and corral more elements over from the red side. 8949 drops another pair of gold minerals right into the lander. They are unstoppable.
Team 13688 trying to corral more gold minerals, and it seems that Team 3058 and Team 4511 getting into a little skirmish as Team 3058 tries to play offense and tries to disrupt the enemy depot, which they successfully do, managing to get every single mineral outside of Red Alliance's depot.
We've got about 5 seconds left to end game here.
However,
let's see how these robots do.
Team 4511 managing to snag one more gold mineral inside of their depot before endgame starts.
8949 going in for another pair. Are they going to turn around to hang, or are they going to try and get some more? It looks like they're going in to hang in this case. 4511 also trying to line up to hang.
Team 3058 managing to line it up correctly, lifting themselves off the ground.
3058, the first off the ground in this case. 4511 trying to line up, but it doesn't look like they've got it. 8949 managing to pull themselves up off the ground, and that's game. It looks like we've got scores from qualification match number 23, where Red Alliance is declared victor with 247 points to Blue Alliance's 146.